Linking your bank account to BlueJeans is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your payments and transactions efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your BlueJeans account. Visit the BlueJeans website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings or payment settings section. This is typically found in the profile or account management area of the dashboard. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the payment settings, look for an option that says Link Bank Account or similar. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the AirStroke to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once your bank account is successfully linked. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to BlueJeans. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.